We are going to study about what is a molecule. This topic is included in the chapter Atoms and Molecules in Chemistry, Grade 9. A molecule can be defined as the smallest particle of an element or a compound that is capable of an independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. In a molecule, we can have atoms of the same element or of different elements joining together. A molecule is in general a group of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together or that are tightly held together by attractive forces. There are two types of molecules, molecules of elements and molecules of compounds. The first picture is an example of molecules of elements. It has two oxygen atoms combining together to form one oxygen molecule. The second picture is sulfur trioxide, which is an example of molecules of compounds. Here we have one atom of sulfur combining together with three atoms of oxygen to form sulfur trioxide. Molecules of elements. Molecules of an element are constituted by the same type of atoms. In the picture, we can see oxygen molecule, which is formed by combining two same type of atoms, means two same oxygen atoms. Molecules of many elements such as argon, helium, etc. are made up of only one atom of that element. The number of atoms forming a molecule is known as its atomicity. So we can have in the picture, we can see atomicity, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, tetratomic. Example, inert gases like helium, neon, argon, they are formed by only one atom of that element. So they are called as monoatomic. Hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, these molecules are formed by combining two atoms of the same element. So they are diatomic. Ozone is O3 formed by combining three atoms of oxygen. It is called as triatomic. Phosphorus P4 is formed by combining four atoms of phosphorus. It is tetraatomic. Sulfur S8 is formed by combining 8 atoms of sulfur. It is called as polyatomic. Molecules of compounds. Here in molecules of compounds, they are formed by joining atoms of different elements, but they combine in definite proportion to form the molecule of that compound. Example is water, H2O. The combining elements are hydrogen and oxygen, and they combine in a fixed proportion by mass 1:8. Means in water H2O, hydrogen and oxygen combine in a fixed ratio by mass 1:8. In case of ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen combine together in a fixed ratio by mass 14:3. In carbon dioxide, carbon and oxygen combine in a fixed ratio by mass 3:8. Compounds composed of metals and nonmetals contain charged species. These charged species are known as ions. Ions can be negatively charged or they can be positively charged. Negatively charged ion is called an anion and positively charged ion is called a cation. We can see here in the picture, atom is there in the center which is having no charge. Atom loses an electron to form a cation which is positively charged. The atom gains an electron to form an anion which is negatively charged. Example is sodium chloride. Sodium chloride molecule is formed by combining positively charged sodium ion and negatively charged chloride ion. Thank you.